Welcome to the channel Jamaican Crime, the channel that discusses crime in Jamaica. Today we are going to discuss the NewE-ticketing system in Jamaica. This is an excellent improvement for Jamaica. I am surprised that it took so long. Jamaica has some of the worst drivers in the world. This is because the ticket system in Jamaica was terrible. Persons would get tickets and not pay them, and nothing happens. The persons that take advantage of the weak ticket system are the taxi drivers and bus drivers. They do whatever they want on the roads. They stop in the middle of the road to pick up or drop off passengers. They go through red lights. They speed. They park anywhere. The drivers make Jamaica look like a country without laws. Let's look at the new ticket system and then discuss further. The Jamaica Constabulary Force, JCF, in its continued transformation and modernization thrust, rolled out its new Smart Check e-ticketing system in the corporate area on Thursday, December 30th. The system, which is designed to be a more efficient and accurate alternative to traditional written tickets, provides officers with the ability to issue a printed ticket on the spot with information of the offense, fine, court date, and other information. The system also allows for officers to instantly check outstanding tickets motorists may have, whether or not they are persons of interest or wanted, as well as information pertaining to their fitness, registration, insurance, and other personal data. Spearheaded by the JCF's technology branch, which comprises of the Telecommunications Division, Telecom, and the Information Communication and Technology Division, ICTD, the system is welcomed by officers assigned to the Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch who underwent robust training to use the system. Head of the ICTD, Deputy Superintendent of Police, DSP, Oret Basco, said the system is a welcome tool to the overall Smart Check system. The officers love the system. It is more legible, efficient, and the information is directly entered into the traffic management system. It also gives the motorist the ability to pay on the spot as the ticket can be emailed to them with a link to the payment portal, said DSP Basco. DSP Basco also mentioned that more features are to be added to the system, and as a result officers will be continuously trained as the system's capabilities improve and evolve. 20 of the devices have been rolled out in this first phase, with approximately 100 more to be rolled out in phases early next month. So let's discuss further. This is excellent news. If the system functions as described above, then it is the best thing for Jamaica. Law and order will be restored to Jamaican roads. Why did it take so long for this system to be implemented? The roads in Jamaica have become so lawless and dangerous that it's going to take a long time for even such an advanced system to make a difference. But this society will be a start.